In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own label size in Canva, perfect for products, gifts, or any custom project. Start on Canva's homepage and click Create a Design in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Custom Size. By default, dimensions are in pixels, so switch the unit to inches for accurate print measurements. Now, type in your label dimensions. For example, set the width to 5 inches and the height to 2 inches, or adjust based on your needs. Click Create New Design and a canvas tailored to your label will open. If you have a label file saved, click Uploads on the side panel and drag it onto your canvas. Or start fresh by searching Label in Canvas template library and choose one you like. Once your template is on the canvas, personalize it. Double check text fields to edit content, change fonts, colors, and sizes, and make your label truly unique. Canva's intuitive tools make this process smooth and creative. And there you have it. Your custom sized label is ready to print or share. Happy designing!